This is just a wee follow-up video. Me and Harvey we're going to make an attempt of moving the 1000 after what, a year?
About a year sitting there, about 8 years is legally on the road, using the old trusty indestructible Hilux.
I'm a call for a better way for a restoration. Just a wee follow-up video, guys, just to...
Close to the Corolla there.
Aye, just a touch. Hang on, wait a second, I'll jump round. Right, as you can see, another one of the collection, the Corolla. Right. That's all for just now, guys.